And that's everything. Thank you so much for taking my class. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that there was something here that you feel like you can utilize in your workflow to get your photos to be better or to make your workflow faster, easier for you. If you enjoyed this class, I have a bunch of other photography classes here on Skillshare that range from creating your own hand-painted backdrops to photographing coffee and donuts and pancakes, photographing people. I have a class on how to tune in your photographic style or making content for an Instagram feed. There's a whole bunch of fun stuff over there, and so I hope that you will take a look. If you decide to share your photos here on Skillshare, I would love to see it. Seeing a before and after is so satisfying to me. It's great to be able to see right there how your workflow is being improved utilizing these techniques. And if you decide to share them on Instagram, feel free to tag me. My handle is just Tabitha Park, and I love seeing your work. So thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you in the next one.